Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Fiverr to boost your freelancing income, full guide step by step clearly. To boost your freelancing income using Fiverr, start by creating a strong profile. Choose a professional username that reflects your services. Upload a clear, high-quality profile picture. Craft a compelling bio that showcases your skills and experience. Use keywords in your bio to make it easily searchable. Next, start creating your gig listings. Identify services you excel at and want to offer. Write a catchy gig title that grabs attention. In the gig description, provide detailed information about what you will deliver. Highlight your unique selling points to stand out from the competition. Set competitive pricing for your services based on research of similar gigs. Consider offering packages for different service levels to attract a wider audience. Add relevant tags to help your gig appear in searches. Now, it's time to enhance your gig with visuals. Create an eye-catching gig image that represents your service. If applicable, include a video introduction to increase engagement. Once your gigs are live, promote them through social media. Share your Fiverr profile on platforms where your target audience is active. Consider joining relevant online communities to showcase your services. Respond promptly to inquiries and messages from potential clients. Deliver outstanding work to build a positive reputation. Encourage satisfied clients to leave reviews on your gigs. Regularly reassess and update your gigs to keep them fresh and relevant. Utilize Fiverr's promotional tools to increase visibility. Take advantage of Fiverr's affiliate program for additional income opportunities. Engage with other freelancers to learn from their experiences. Stay consistent in updating your skills and services based on market demand. Monitor your gig performance using Fiverr's analytics tools. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.